Best homemade face masks for oily skin. Never go overboard with skincare products. Wash your face more often, but don't do this every hour, because this will make it too dry. Wash 2 to 3 times a day. Not more than that. You can use a cleanser or apply a moisturizer for oily skin at night. Use warm water to rinse it off in the morning. But make sure to use only a non-comedogenic moisturizer. Also, use a gentle soap to make sure that your skin is not irritated. The body's natural reaction when the skin is irritated is the production of excess oils. Never pick the pimples, if you have them. The best homemade face wash for oily skin. 1. Coconut oil and honey face wash. This could very well be the best face wash for oily skin. Coconut oil and honey both have antibacterial and antifungal properties that will help you fight the oil. The ingredients you need are readily available, so that's a relief. Get this. Extra virgin coconut oil, 3 teaspoons. Raw honey, 1 teaspoon. Baking soda, 1 teaspoon. A container with lid. Do this. First, pour the coconut oil into a small bowl. Take a spoon and stir. Warm your spoon if the oil is hard and then dry it. You have to stir with a warm spoon. Add the honey. Stir it in. Now add your baking soda and stir this well. Transfer to the container and store at room temperature. Don't worry if this hardens. It will melt when you apply on your skin. How to apply? Take a small spoon or spatula and scoop out a little portion. Now apply on your neck and face. Move your fingers in circles to exfoliate. Give it time to soak and then remove with warm water. Pat dry with a clean towel. 2. Honey and lemon face wash. Fresh lemon juice and raw honey will also do the trick. Honey is a very good skin rejuvenator that will make your skin supple. It is also a very good cleanser for all types of skin, including oily skin. So keep some honey in your bathroom cabinet. Honey can also be used for hair treatment. You can even remove makeup safely and easily with honey. All you need to do is just add a little baking soda. But here we talk about how to use it as face wash for oily skin, so add lemon to it. Lemon will give you vitamin C that makes the skin healthy and glowing. Get this. Lemon juice, 1 teaspoon. Honey, 1 teaspoon. A small bowl. Warm water. Do this. Squeeze the lemon and store the juice in a small bowl. Add 1 teaspoon honey into this. Add the warm water so that it spreads easily. Apply this on your face and leave for 20 minutes. Rinse it off with normal water.